Dear Mr. President Donald Trump, on behalf of Voice of World and its members worldwide, I extend my heartfelt congratulations on your election as the President of the United States. This remarkable achievement reflects the trust and hope the American people have placed in your leadership. As you embark on this important journey, I sincerely hope your presidency will pave the way for a more peaceful world. I appeal to your vision and influence to work tirelessly towards ending wars that claim the lives of countless innocent people, including women and children, leaving their generations to suffer the consequences. Your leadership holds the power to champion the cause of global harmony and ensure a future free from conflict. Imagine a world where nations come together, where understanding transcends borders, and where every child can grow up in a world free from the shadow of war. We hope that history will remember you not only as a statesman, but as a true peace ambassador who united nations and promoted understanding across borders. The world is watching, and we believe in the change you can bring. With hope and anticipation, I wish you great success in your term, and look forward to witnessing your efforts in creating a world where peace prevails over discord. Together, let's envision a future where peace is not just a dream, but a reality. Thank you, Mr. President.